Welcome back to Tap Tech, the channel where we bring you honest reviews on the latest gadgets and smart devices. If you love tech that makes life smarter, you're in the right place. Today, we are talking about the Amazfit T-Rex 3 Pro. This watch has been getting attention because it combines rugged durability with smart features at a fair price. Amazfit has built a reputation for making strong outdoor watches, and this model is designed to push that reputation even further. So let's go through what it offers, where it shines, and where it might fall short. The design is the first thing you notice. The T-Rex 3 Pro keeps that bold, military-style look that the T-Rex line is known for. It looks tough, and it feels tough. The casing is built with reinforced materials, so it's not just for show. This is a watch made to survive harsh conditions. It has passed multiple military-grade durability tests, including resistance to shock, heat, humidity, and even freezing temperatures. That means you can wear it on hikes, camping trips, or even in extreme environments without worrying too much about damage. Despite being rugged, it's not overly heavy, and the strap is comfortable for daily wear. The buttons are also a highlight. They feel responsive and solid, which makes navigation easy even if you are wearing gloves. This small detail matters for people who actually use their watch outdoors in challenging conditions. The bezel design is clean, and overall the watch manages to balance toughness with a stylish outdoor look. Now let's talk about the display. The T-Rex 3 Pro comes with a bright AMOLED screen. This is a big improvement compared to older rugged watches. The colors are sharp, the brightness is high enough to see clearly under sunlight, and it supports an always-on mode. Swiping through menus feels smooth, and text is easy to read. When you're checking maps or fitness stats, the clarity really helps. The display is also protected with strong glass to handle scratches and impacts. Performance has improved too. The T-Rex 3 Pro is powered by a faster chip, and you can feel the difference. Scrolling through menus, switching between apps, or checking notifications feels quick. It runs on Zep OS 3.5, which has been refined over time. The operating system is simple but efficient. It includes weather updates, alarms, music controls, and useful health reminders. The app ecosystem has also grown, giving you more options compared to earlier Amazfit watches. It's still not as wide as what you get on Wear OS or Apple Watch, but it covers the essentials well. One of the main reasons people buy this watch is health and fitness tracking, and here Amazfit delivers. The T-Rex 3 Pro offers 24-hour heart rate monitoring, SpO2 tracking, stress monitoring, and advanced sleep analysis. These features are useful for anyone who wants to keep track of their health in detail. Sleep tracking is surprisingly accurate, giving you a breakdown of light, deep, and REM stages. Stress monitoring is another feature that gives you feedback throughout the day, helping you know when to take a break. For fitness lovers, the T-Rex 3 Pro supports a huge list of workout modes. Whether you're running, swimming, hiking, cycling, or even doing gym workouts, there's a mode for it. The new dual-band GPS is another big upgrade. It connects faster, holds a stable signal, and tracks routes with high accuracy. For runners and hikers, this means you can trust the watch to record your routes correctly. GPS accuracy has been a weak point for many smartwatches, so this is a big win for Amazfit. Battery life is another area where the T-Rex 3 Pro stands out. With normal daily use, it can last up to 2 weeks. Even if you use GPS and health tracking often, it still easily lasts several days. This is one of the main advantages over watches like the Apple Watch or Galaxy Watch, which often need daily charging. For travelers, adventurers, or simply people who don't like charging every night, this long battery life is a game changer. The T-Rex 3 Pro also includes smart features like Bluetooth calling. You can take calls directly on the watch when your phone is connected. Notifications work smoothly, and the vibration is strong enough to grab your attention. You can read messages, get app alerts, and stay connected without pulling your phone out all the time. However, this watch is not trying to replace your phone. It doesn't have LTE, and it doesn't run a wide range of third-party apps like Apple or Samsung watches. It's designed more for outdoor durability and fitness than being a full smartwatch replacement. Music storage and playback are possible too, which is helpful if you want to leave your phone at home while running. The speaker is decent for quick use, though most people will prefer connecting wireless earbuds. When it comes to value, the Amazfit T-Rex 3 Pro is priced very competitively. You're getting a rugged build, AMOLED display, long battery life, strong GPS, and solid health tracking at a much lower price than most flagship smartwatches. That balance of features and cost makes it appealing to a wide range of users. Of course, it's not perfect. If you want advanced smartwatch features like mobile payments, wide app support, or deep integration with your phone's ecosystem, this might not be the watch for you. It focuses more on durability, health, and fitness rather than trying to be a complete smartwatch. But for many people, that focus is exactly what makes it attractive. So, who is the Amazfit T-Rex 3 Pro for? It's perfect for outdoor enthusiasts, athletes, travelers, and anyone who values durability and battery life over fancy smartwatch extras. If you often go hiking, camping, or just want a watch that won't die after a day or two, this is a strong choice. It also works well for people who want accurate health and fitness tracking without paying a premium price. Overall, the Amazfit T-Rex 3 Pro feels like the right balance of ruggedness, smart features, and value. It doesn't try to be something it's not. Instead, it focuses on doing a few things really well: being durable, lasting long, and tracking health and fitness with accuracy. If those are the things that matter to you, this watch is worth considering. Thanks for watching Tap Tech, where we break down the latest tech in simple words so you know exactly what's worth your money. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this review helpful. See you in the next one.